Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about why I am buying more, Tesla stock. Of course, probably my favorite stock that I own, but I'm going to be buying more of it. I'm going to be buying 3 shares of it. I'll put a screenshot of the confirmation right here so you guys can see it. But overall, we're going to be really looking at why I'm buying Tesla stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So now, to jump into it, roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! So now me personally, I think that Tesla does carry so much long-term potential because they are in the electric auto space and autonomous driving. And yeah, we're only getting more and more dependable on all of those things. So I really believe that in the next couple of years that Tesla is only going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. Now, a lot of people always like to ask me, Carter, what is the best investment strategy for Tesla? Should I try to time it or should I just hop in it and not even look at it for a couple of years? Now, me personally, I think a fantastic strategy for investing in Tesla stock because Tesla stock is a pretty high volatile growth stock. You know, there's definitely a lot of long-term potential, but there's a lot of volatility with it. There's a lot of risk, but also if you hold it for the long term, could be a lot of reward. So overall, guys, make sure you guys have a base of ETFs, blue chip stocks to act as your defense. But getting back to the strategy, dollar cost average this all day long. So you don't have to put up a lot of money all up front. Just be consistent with your investment. So here's an example. Imagine if you guys want to invest $1,000 total into Tesla. That's the max. Instead of putting up $1,000 all up front, what you would do is you would invest $100 a week over the next 10 weeks. So you still invest $1,000, but you're just spreading it out into a weekly increment. So you get a good average price for your shares. It's a fantastic investment strategy for volatile growth stocks. But now let's kind of go ahead and look at the technical analysis. This is pretty much one of the main reasons why I bought this stock. Alrighty guys, so we have ticker symbol TSLA here. This is the one and only Tesla here. So you guys can see that this stock has a beautiful upward trend. And then look at this. We had major sell-off off the highs. So the highs are pretty much the resistance of $900 here. You guys can see it sold off here to around $784 a share. Now, the reason why I'm buying Tesla stock right now is because look at this. You see this yellow line here. This is what you call a 200 moving average line. So really what that is it's a overall, indicator of the trend. So you guys can look at it and pretty much instantly know, okay, this stock has a upward trend. Not to mention when the stock is above it like it is up in here, you guys can see that it uses it as support. So you guys can see it comes in contact with it. Buying pressure comes in contact with it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. So now look at this. When this stock sells off here and hits this 200 support moving average line, we have an overall undervalued point, but it's also on a old support line. So I do think that the overall momentum and trend is going to continue to hop back into this and we are going to get some buying pressure stepping back up here. I really believe this would be a perfect investment here and then also a perfect swing trade. So you could hop in, set your stops right below this 200 moving average line, at 750, 740. So you're risking $30 for this stock to come up to the resistance. So you're risking $30 to make $100 or $200, which is a perfect risk and reward ratio. So it's all about understanding what type of investment you are doing. If you're going to be trading, swing trading, I'm just going to be holding this for the long term because I believe that Tesla carries a lot of long-term potential here and also short-term. That's why I'm using the volatility of Tesla to my advantage and pretty much buying on an undervalued dip in the stock price. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So at least check it out.